Hey all, it's Pat from Demystify, and we're back for another week of tips for AI trailblazers. I'm getting more into the image stuff by the day, and I was screwing around with Gemini before. It's one of my favorites, and I realized you can't edit images directly in Gemini. I really just wanted to mess around with something. I wanted to try to put a couple people into a picture of my living room. So this is my lovely living room. It's one of the first rooms you walk into when you come to my house. A couple empty chairs. I thought it'd be kind of cool, see what I could edit into those chairs into my living room. Looks out on my street. It's trash day out there. Got the empty trash can we need to bring in. I like this picture because the lighting is weird. I'm kind of curious. It's 3:45 in the afternoon when I took this, and I'm really curious to see. We're gonna use Grok. I was just messing around with Grok a little bit. I want to show you guys a couple things. So this is really how to try to edit people into a pre-existing photo. So this is the photo we're gonna use. And let me share my Grok screen really quick. All right, so we are in Grok. And one of the cool things I just found, I don't know why I haven't clicked this random button before, but focus mode brings it completely into full screen. So let's get our image uploaded. And it's got my Gemini demo. And let's just take something simple. So I know it's going to recreate the image. So let's start with just, can you please edit a woman coffee and reading, sitting in, well, we better do, can you please edit a woman sitting in the chair, drinking coffee and reading a book into the uploaded photo. Yep. Okay. So now, Grok cannot edit this exact image. So what it'll do is have to create some replication of it. Let's see what it does. Yes, please generate the image. So this should come out a decent quality. Hopefully it'll produce all four of them. I'm not going to hold my breath. And let's see what it comes out to. Oh, it's looking like it's got some of the bay windows. It's pretty cool. Ooh, gave me some nice built-in bookcases. I like that. I'm kind of noticing it's using pretty close to that lighting that we saw in there. Way nicer chairs. Thanks, Grok. But these are all pretty good. I mean, kind of what I was going for. I'm curious to see. Before we try any of these tools, let's edit in something more interesting. How about, I was always curious, like if Elon Musk showed up at my house, like what would that be like? So I bet, how about instead of a woman, can you edit in Elon Musk drinking coffee? All right, so we had Elon Musk. If I walked in my house and he's sitting here drinking coffee, I think that'd be pretty weird. Something pretty crazy probably have had to have happened in my life. But let's see what Grok can come up with. Live out this fantasy. So still kind of same time of day. Pretty much that looks like him. Gave me some extra chairs and a couple. Notice it's very prominent there. So pretty cool. So that's actually not bad. These are actually nice, at least from my non-artistic eye. Nice and well trained. Let's edit this a little bit. Let's see what we can do here. Describe what you want to change in the image. What's this? Copy, post, save. Why don't we edit it? Let's swap out coffee. Let's do something a little bit healthier for apple juice. And maybe instead of a book, you know what? He's always with his son, little X. I have a son too, so I totally get it. Instead of reading a book, have Elon playing with his son. All right, so we're gonna get him out of his leisure, give him some juice, make him play with his son. Curious to see what happens here. I was kind of hoping this would have opened up into some sort of like Photoshop type editor where you can, mess with the colors, the contrast, those types of things. But let's see here. So they still have him reading a book. Too shabby. Looks like I couldn't generate that one. He's got two books in this one, two books here, and no sun. Now here he's got it's like some sort of a cereal, maybe a porridge, and it looks like I can't tell if that's his arm or his son's arm sipping the coffee, but that's interesting. Um, let's see if we can edit in. Let's do something ridiculous. Let's just see exactly what this thing can do. Curious to see what this is. Please edit, edit in the Lowe's classic dinosaur from Jurassic Park to the background. Curious to see what they say here. So now I got Elon Musk in my kind of living room drinking coffee with his son, looking at a bowl of porridge. And now we've got, man, yeah, it's right there. It's that Velociraptor in the background. Well, I hope they stay safe. I hope they stay safe. It's something else. Let's do one more thing. Let's adjust the lighting. Can you make time of day in the photo the early morning? After this, let's try to change the color palette a little bit. Why don't we do it in pastels? I'm curious to see what this does. So here we go. Let's see if this is much earlier in the morning to kind of match like coffee porridge. Curious to see like an early morning velociraptor. Oh, he's much smaller. Oh, he's watching him now. He's probably hungry. The velociraptor looks very hungry. That top one we couldn't see. All three of them. That kind of stinks. Well, early morning Elon Musk. Let's see here. A smaller kid. Whoop. I got a little lazy eye there. Smaller kid. Still got the apple juice. And we've got dual, looks like midget velociraptors back there. So interesting setup. I'd encourage you to play around with Grok as much as you can. It's fantastic for image editing and really coming up with those hyper-realistic images. So please like the video, subscribe to the channel. We greatly appreciate it. And we'll catch you next week on another Tips for AI Trailblazers. This is Pat saying goodbye.